In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unresolve a comment in Google Docs. Let's dive into it and make sure you can easily follow along as we go through each step together. First things first, open up any web browser of your choice. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you're comfortable using. Once your browser is open, head over to google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log into your Google account. Look for the sign in button, which is usually in the top right corner. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your email address, followed by your password. Don't forget to click Next after entering your email and password to successfully log into your account. Once you're signed in, navigate to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a grid icon that, when clicked, will display a drop-down menu with various Google apps. Click on Google Docs from this menu. Now you should be in the Google Docs dashboard, where all your documents are visible. Find the document where you have resolved comments that you want to revisit and click on it to open. With your document open, focus your attention on the top right corner of the page. Here you'll see a speech bubble icon filled with lines, which symbolizes the comment section. Click on this icon to reveal a new side panel featuring all the comments associated with your document. Next, you'll want to filter these comments by type. Click on the drop-down menu labeled All Types. From the list that appears, choose the Resolved option. This action will filter out other comments and show you only the comments that you have marked as resolved. Now look through the comments listed under Resolved and identify the one you wish to unresolve. Once you have pinpointed the comment, click on the three vertical dots, more commonly known as the More option. Next to that particular comment, a small menu will appear, and here's where you will find the option to reopen the comment. Click on Reopen. And just like that, the comment will reappear in the main part of your document, exactly where it was located before you had resolved it. By following these steps, you can easily manage and revisit your previously resolved comments, ensuring that you have thoroughly addressed all feedback and changes in your Google Docs file. I hope this guide helps you navigate Google Docs comments more efficiently. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.